He's holding a begging bowl in his hand, and inside the begging bowl there is a flower or a tree, I don't know. But in it, so on top of the tree or the flower, there you can see the whole like 40 million words, the 40 million words, the whole 30 million words put on top of that flower or the so there's called a good 1,000 word of the 3,000, so which means that there's the there's the 1,000 words the 1,000 of this words written, and that is 1,000. That's for the first 1,000. The first 1,000 and the first 1,000 words that's the second 1,000 words. The second 1,000 word, or which is known as the intermediate word length. So this one, the 1,000 of the second 1,000 word length is the third 1,000 wording is known as the third 1,000 word of the 2,000. So you have to imagine the whole great 1,000 word of the 2,000 word within this mandala. You imagine only one word system. So you have to think that also all this the 4,000 word or the 2,000 words are all in this that mandala that way. So one shouldn't think once the mandala too small, and all the 3,000 the three great the three great 1,000 all of the 2,000 appear big, and you should imagine that so you have to imagine everything in the right size, and not too big, not too small, and all the words, all 3,000 words systems are fitting it's fitting one into the mandala, and which you have to imagine like that. So that is the big explanation about the external mandala. Trong cuộc chiến khi vừa rồi có cái cuộc bàn tại cái cuộc thì sao ảnh được của các cụ phong phạm. Cái thứ này là nó không có nó là chuyện đó là tôi mà còn có cái gì đó thì mình có nhiều cái thứ So then when you imagine the inner mandala object, so you have to this is you have to imagine your body as the mandala, your body as the mandala. So you can imagine the whole body. There's once you have 2 hands and 2 feet. There's 4, you can imagine as the 4 continents. And you can, what is the top? Palm? A palm and this arm. Okay, 1, 2 like this. 2, 3, 4, and 2 days. The third and the palm. The 8, you have to imagine the 8 subcontinent. And on your head, you can imagine the specialness on top of the Mount Meadow, the mention of the Brahma and the Indra. So you can imagine that, and your heart, you can imagine on top of the black dimension. What is it? Like a jewel on top of the. In the monastery, you have this like a jewel on the top of the roof. Like ornament, like a jewel on top of the roof. So you can imagine that your heart, and then inside your body is the intestines, and you can imagine like what is like this. So that's when all these organs and intestines inside your body, you can imagine like the possession, not the possession of the gods and the human. And